UptoSix Phonics Plus. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
A.
Pain. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Cloak.
Read the word and tap the correct picture. Tail. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Coffee. Can you spell train? Train. Can you spell oats? Oats. Can you spell speed? Speed.
An oak tree by the road.
An. Oak. Tree. By. Road.
A goat in a coat.
Goat. In. Coat. Catch the fish with the sound. Catch the fish with the sound. Catch the fish with the sound. Drag the correct digraph and complete the word. Speech. You are a superstar. Drag the correct digraph and complete the word. Think. You're super smart. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Chin. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Three. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Mash. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Chin. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Short.
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Sheep.
Sheep. Can you spell shut?
Shut.
Can you spell
Short.
Short.
Can you spell shift? Shift. Can you spell smash? Smash. Can you spell vanish? Vanish. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Flock.
Flock. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Drum. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Spell. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Glad. Cap. Cape. The boy in the cap got a cape. Cap.
A.
Cape. Can. Cane. Put the can on the cane.
A.
Can.
A.
Cane.
Der. A. Der. A.
Drain.
A. G. A. G. A.
Game.
A. Poo. A. Gr. Ow. D. Poo. A. Gr. Ow. D.
Playground.
A. A.
Ray.
Shh. Shh.
As in blush.
Boo. Ah. Shh.
Blush.
Boo. Ah. Shh. Boo. Ah. Shh. Boo. Ah. Shh.
Blush.
Shh.
As in wish.
Wa. E. Shh.
Wish.
Wa. E. Shh. Wa. E. Shh. Wa. E. Shh.
Wish.
Shh.
As in flash.
Foo. Ah. Shh.
Flash.
Shh.
As in fish.
E. Shh.
Fish.
E. Shh. E. Shh. E. Shh.
Fish.
Download the UptoSix Phonics Plus app now.